Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 60 millimeters of diameter, and create another one with 90 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Now create a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter, and another one here with 20 millimeters of diameter. Press OK. We have this. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two circles here is 106 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this circle and this circle here. We have this. Okay. Now finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here. Go direction here, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 80 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Show the sketch one again. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. The direction, symmetric, the measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 70 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. Now hide the sketch one. Go to create a sketch and select this face here. Select the circle. Click here in the midpoint. Make a circle here with 110 millimeters. Okay. And here, create a circle here with 55 millimeters. Press OK. Now select a line. Make a tangent line between these two circles here. Okay. Go to constraint, select tangent. Make this line tangent with this circle and this circle. Make this tangent. Okay. Go to trim. Cut this and cut this. We have this sketch here. Okay. Now select circle, make a circle here with 60 millimeters and here with 10 millimeters. So we have it. Okay, finish the sketch. Show the body here. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Extrude this 5 millimeters to this side. Sorry, minus 8 millimeters. Operation join. And press OK. Now go to create. Select mirror. The object type is the features, and the object is this extrude here. The mirror plane is the front plane, and press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to modify, select fillet, select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Press OK. And now go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here, this edge and this edge. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.